Hi there, I'm Rebecca and a really warm welcome back to my channel, PumpkinBecki. In this week's video we're creating some Easter decorations with flowers. Let's get started. All these decorations are really simple. I especially love the little violet in its sugar bowl. I think that's adorable. And this old set was actually being thrown away at work, but you might find some in a thrift store or a charity shop. I just love their little faces. So cute. The low planter here has white primula in the middle. I've had them for several years. Don't think of them as annuals, they are actually a little perennial and they keep going. Just make sure you feed them and deadhead them regularly. And I've encircled those with more of the little viola. The little tray of viola, it's actually a big tray of viola. There's 20 plants there. I picked them up reduced for $3.99. And you can find little bargains like that all over the place. Shops think that spring bedding's over and done with now, but you can pick up some bargains and they will continue to flower for months yet. These adorable bunny napkins are an idea that I took from the Martha Stewart website. They're so sweet and they look adorable set in the middle of a dinner plate or a tea plate. Try and keep your colour palette quite focused. You can see here that on quite a neutral background I've got the pinks from the china repeated in the other decorations, including the eggs, the tulips that I've cut from the garden. The bright golden yellow and cream from the primula are repeated here in the lemon fancies. And the blue purple of the viola are also picked out in the little Easter egg decorations that I've used. And I can see things like this being used down the centre of a full dining table, or maybe a garden table. Right, that's it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. May I wish you all a really wonderful Easter weekend. Do enjoy it. Don't forget to stay tuned for the midweek video. Please remember to rate, share and subscribe to me here on YouTube. And until next time, bye.